Sri Lanka. I think that's a big thing and it's a great thing for tourism also. What to say about that? Sri Lanka में जिस तरह का tourism आप लेकर जाने वाले हैं Indians को और जिस तरह का वहाँ पे experience करवाने वाले हैं टूरिस्ट वाले जाके.
Yeah, thank you. That's a very interesting question, and I will tell you from the tourism point of view. Yes, Sri Lanka is coming out of a big economic recession, and for 1 rupee it is equal to 3.5 rupees. So you can understand the strength of the rupee compared to the strength of Sri Lankan rupee. So it's a very, 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 very great package for the Indian uh, consumers, especially for the Asian consumers also. And one of the main reasons, not only because of that, but also because the country club acts more like a conduit, like a catalyst, like a brand ambassador for culture and tourism for the rest of the world. Like I was telling you earlier in the press conference, we are the biggest holiday givers, and this time we want to concentrate in Sri Lanka because even Bombay se lekar, the things are bright. Every day across the country, Kerala से 3 flights है, चेन्नई से 3 flights है, हैदराबाद से मैं खुद गया हैदराबाद से 90 minutes में before you land in Delhi, like let us say from Bombay, you can land in Colombo. So it is like more or less an extension of our country only. And today, Sri Lanka does not require a visa. Another important thing. You don't have to wait for the hassle for visa and all that. So we are trying to concentrate on aspects that will be very friendly with tourists and also friendly with the country club members and people who are non-members also. And people there, you can't discriminate. It's like going to Goa. People are very friendly, very nice, and very, very hospitable, and especially they embrace our culture and they embrace all these things. So you don't feel out of place, number one. Though it is a foreign country, we don't feel that, we're visiting a foreign country. We feel it's a part of India, and also we feel that Goan kind of a culture where there is so much of greenery, so much of water, so much of water sports, and so many spiritual things like Buddha Tooth Temple, and we have a property in Kandy, and it's really amazing. What I'm trying to tell you is, all the synergies have merged, and then I'm sure I think this is a great product, and people are going to be really, really happy.
What are the amenities you are providing there, or are you having a plan to expand in Sri Lanka?
Yeah, we are in the process of negotiations in Sri Lanka. We may come out with some clubs, more clubs in Colombo. So we are in discussions at this stage. And like I was telling you, because Sri Lanka is going through just recovering from a big economic slowdown, we had discussions basically to set up more clubs in Colombo also.
सर कंट्री क्लब के ये खेलो श्रीलंका प्रोग्राम से दोनों देश के रिश्ते को कैसे देखते हैं आप?
But it's more friendly, yeah. Yes, एक घंटे का रास्ता है चेन्नई से. बॉम्बे से maybe not even 2 hours. Before you reach Delhi, you can reach Colombo. So definitely, people want an opportunity. आजकल traveling has become very, 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 very common. Unlike the previous generation, this generation especially, they want to keep traveling, 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 and this is the fastest way to travel. And
I've been to Sri Lanka many times for my work, for performance and shows, and I'm very happy that Country Club gave me this opportunity. So I'll be visiting again. And as you know, the country is very friendly, Sri Lanka. It's a visa-free country. You reach in like maybe in 3 4 hours. You're in from Mumbai. You're in Colombo. I love Colombo basically because the place Candy which he mentioned, it's a very like it's a seashell. You get shells there.
yeah,
Yeah, it's a very shell. You can visit there. You can have a holiday. There's a lot of tourism. The water is blue and like greenery. So it's amazing. Like Colombo is my favorite, and now I'm excited. I'll be visiting Country Club also.
What about your 31st? How much?
Oh, I'm super excited because I'm doing 31st in Country Club for you guys, and like you all are invited. So there's a big celebration, big party. I have my performance. So we'll do the countdown, like we'll bring in like 2025 and we'll have a good time.
What is your message for the 2025?
2025, I think it's going to be a beautiful year to everyone. I would like to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. The message I would like to say that be kind, be humble, be sweet, and follow your dreams. जो करना है कीजिए. And being a Mumbaikar, मी मराठी मुलगी आहे, मी मराठी बोलते, तर मी सगळ्यांना हेच बोलणार आहे की नवीन वर्षाचे हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
ये टीम सीजन के पोस्टर चलते और चलो श्रीलंका के प्रोग्राम करके आपके सफर को
Oh my gosh, my first job was Kingfisher Calendar. So yeah, it was the first bikini shoot, and it was in the Maldives. So and it was with Dr. Vijay Malia and Atul Kasbekar. तो मेरा फर्स्ट शूट था, बहुत ही मेमोरेबल था. और मतलब उस कैलेंडर ने मुझे सब कुछ दे दिया. इट गेव मी प्लेटफॉर्म टू मूवीज, इट गेव मी प्लेटफॉर्म टू रियलिटी शो, लॉट ऑफ डोर्स ओपन फॉर मी. So and I miss Dr. Vijay Malia.
सर मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ, अभी हमने देखा बांग्लादेश में बहुत अच्छी हालत थी, उसके पहले श्रीलंका की हालत बहुत अच्छी थी और सोनाली में वहाँ जा रही है, तो सुरक्षा के हिसाब से किस प्रकार की तैयारी, आप क्या क्या अनुभव रहा दर्शकों को बता सके किस प्रकार की सुरक्षा है, क्योंकि एक बड़ा इवेंट भी होने वाला है.
Where you talking about Sri Lanka or?
जी श्रीलंका.
Sri Lanka is one of the most safest places today in the world.
It is.
It is, I mean, all those old things have gone, and people are very peaceful, and local people are very nice people. Like I was telling you, I always compare them with the people in Goa and all that. They are no this thing. Right now, people only concentrating on the economy, and they are concentrating on fun, and of course, like cricket and Bollywood go hand in hand in India.
Correct.
Like that, it's there also cricket and entertainment go hand in hand. And I'm sure, I think, because we share a lot of common friends, and everybody is very peaceful.
And lot of Telugu, like.
सर अगर सोनाली में आप बता सके किस गाने का परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं दर्शक जान.
मैं अपने 2 गानों पे परफॉर्म करूंगी. एक तो मैं रेट्रो रखने वाली हूँ. रेट्रो में तो आई थिंक सभी लोग एंजॉय करते हैं, बच्चे से लेके एल्डर्स तक. तो एक रेट्रो आइटम तो रहने ही वाला है. और अभी जो आपने गाने देखे, जैसे आज की रात, जो भी ट्रेंडिंग है, जो भी हिट सॉन्ग्स है, आई थिंक उसमें कुछ 4 या 5 गानों पे होगा. बट आई एम श्योर वी आर गोइंग टू हैव फन.
बिग बॉस बहुत हल्का मचा रहा था और बहुत टीआरपी आ रही है, अगर बता सके आपका फेवरेट कौन है
इस साल ना. ओ माय गॉश, बिग बॉस, मुझे पता था बिग बॉस का सवाल आएगा, और बिग बॉस चल भी रहा है. आई थिंक मेरे जो इस साल फेवरेट है, इस साल मेरे जो दोस्त है करण मेहरा, वो है बिग बॉस पे, एंड आई थिंक इज डूइंग प्रीटी वेल, इज प्लेइंग वेरी वेल. आई थिंक वो मेरे दोस्त रहे हैं. मैंने इनफैक्ट उनके साथ 31st के 2 परफॉर्मेंसेस किए थे गोवा में, आई रिमेम्बर. तो वहाँ से हमारी दोस्ती बढ़ी, और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि करण बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है शो पे. लोग उसे काफी पसंद भी कर रहे हैं. इज कमिंग अक्रॉस लाइक वेरी सेंसिबल, मास्टरमाइंड या पीसफुल, आई डोंट नो, बट आई थिंक इज डूइंग प्रीटी वेल ऑन द शो. सो आई थिंक करण मेहरा इज, एंड आई एम श्योर, आई थिंक वो जीत भी जाएगा. मैंने प्रेडिक्ट भी किया था वो खतरों के खिलाड़ी भी जीतने वाला. आई थिंक ये सीजन भी जीत जाएगा.
आपने जब बिग बॉस किया था तो इस सीजन में और आपके टाइम में क्या सबसे ज्यादा बदलाव देखने को मिला?
अच्छा, मैं तो यही बोल सकती हूँ, फर्स्ट तो लोकेशन. हमारा जब बिग बॉस होता था वो लोनावला में होता था, अभी जो है वो गोरेगांव में फिल्म सिटी में सेट लगता है, वो एक डिफरेंस था. और जब लोनावला में बिग बॉस होता था तब सलमान खान, आई मीन, और उनकी टीम, मतलब 2 दिन के हॉलीडे पे ही सारे एक्टर्स, सारे बॉलीवुड, लाइक सलमान के जितने भी क्लैन और ग्रुप और फ्रेंड्स है, वो हमेशा लोनावला में 2 दिन रहते ही रहते थे. और फर्क मैं ये कहूँगी कि पहले काफ़ी सारे सेलिब्रिटीज आते थे हमारे टाइम पे, अभी काफ़ी मौका मिला है इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, नॉन सेलिब्रिटीज. तो आई थिंक ये एक डिफरेंस है. और आई थिंक लोग अभी काफ़ी अच्छा ही कर रहे हैं, सबको नेम मिल रहा है, फेम मिल रहा है. इट्स अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म टू बी अ सेलिब्रिटी, एंड यू डू प्रीटी वेल आफ्टर द शो. आपने देखे कि कितने सारे सेलिब्रिटीज बिग बॉस से निकले.
If you get a chance to write particular go in Big Boss Marathi.
Oh, I do have plans this year for Big Boss Marathi. Why? Oh, I shouldn't. Okay, I do have plans because कारण मी last year follow केलेलं Big Boss Marathi.
So there are 2 things, especially about this Bade Dilwala Cut. One thing you
mentioned about Sri Lanka country, which recently was under news. So, I mean, what is your aggressive planning to market the card?
Market regard is basically
What will be the any offer which will be
Special privileges to
Indians? Any market people?
we have got this card that gives you access for 6 nights and 7 days in our properties in Sri Lanka.
This is mainly for existing members or
Both for the existing members as well as the new members also.
okay.
So we give this special offer, and also for the existing members who tend to get new referral program, even we give them also. So I mean it's control of, as you know, basically we are not exclusive. We are inclusive. We try to blend everybody together. It is like Country Club is made for the people of the country, and if you are asking what kind of people come to Country Club, I was telling you have a member's wife, Nana, Nani, बच्चे भी आते हैं. So it is one of the biggest family chain of clubs in the world actually. Because this kind of an environment, if you go to the Western, the thing is only boy and girl or boyfriend, girlfriend or husband, wife. But here was for family who it caters. It is more like a family club, and this is unbelievable actually. That when 2 million people, it's like a big community coming together, and we have celebrated so many festivals. Whether it is Navratri, now then, all roads lead to Country Club. Whether it is Baisakhi, whether it is Lori, whether it is Christmas Eve, whether it is New Year. Now New Year you will see, all the roads will be packed. When I first started the Country Club here, a lot of people said, Country Club Bombay is Dure. But Samne, right in the front, I had taken a printout on lease, and we used to show people from binoculars that Country Club is going to come there, Country Club is going to come there. So it is unbelievable story because this year I got an opportunity to enter Bombay, and we entered Bombay and finished the project in record time. And all the big celebrities like Salman Khan had come here, and he had performed for us. So when I invited him, he came on a motorbike, and he put a traffic jam over here. And of course
Salman being Salman.
yeah, and we had of course a small party, and morning 2 o'clock party. Then while he was going, I didn't allow him to go on the motorcycle. I gave him my car. I told him drop him properly because as a host, I felt responsible that he should be dropped properly. And his performance in Bangalore, actually, that was the first conference was in Bangalore, opening another club. That was fantastic. It was attended by 20,000 people. So also like Shah Rukh Khan, if you see Google and all those things, when he came for a performance in Dubai, it was a really wonderful performance. In fact, though he came a little late, he was very apologetic and very nice. And he just said, "Hello, Mr. Kamda Reddy, sorry for being late. The flight got delayed." And then press reached me, okay, and again he joined the press conference and he gave a sterling performance. So what I'm trying to tell you is, we are very, very comfortable, very friendly with Bollywood and Tollywood also. So, I mean, yeah. They Govind had performed, Vivek Oberoi performed, and Malika Arora performed.
The Country Club this year the attraction will be what? Special attraction.
It is one of the DJs. The music, people want to dance, people want to dance with their families, and people want to be left to themselves. Apart from being star driven, there are a lot of people, because you have to understand, the entire generation is changing. This is a generational gap which we are addressing. We are this thing through one of the DJs. One of the DJs is nothing but music and youngsters and people who want to be left to themselves. So apart from that, we are having the star for Odin. So it is really very, I think the response has been phenomenal so far.
मैम लास्ट सवाल आपसे ये लास्ट सवाल है कि आप जब 10 साल पहले कंट्री क्लब आते थे तो ऐसे मुंबई कर आते थे आज आप एक सेलिब्रिटी है दोनों का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है कंट्री क्लब आने
So very interesting question. जी पहले मैं of course मैंने फैमिली पैकेज लिया था तो मेरे पूरी फैमिली कंट्री क्लब विजिट करती है और मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है क्योंकि मैं पास में ही रहती हूँ तो इट्स बीन वेरी गुड. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं करने के लिए. I come here to swim और यहाँ पे स्क्वॉश है, यहाँ पे टेनिस है, यहाँ पे जिम है। आई लव फिटनेस, तो मैं ज़्यादा जिम ही यूज़ करती हूँ। और कभी कभी जब टाइम नहीं रहता है जिम के लिए, तो एक क्विक स्विमिंग आई थिंक वो एक बेस्ट रहता है। और यहाँ का खाना लाइक जिम करने के बाद बहुत भूख भी लगती है, तो इनका खाना भी अमेजिंग। यहाँ के टीम, यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं, दे आर वेरी वेरी नाइस, दे आर वेरी केयरिंग, दे मेक श्योर दे टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल द मेंबर्स।
Yeah,
और
team is the most important thing.
सेलिब्रिटी बनने के बाद तो एक्सपीरियंस अलग रहा होगा।
सेलिब्रिटी बनने के बाद इट्स द सेम एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज फर्क यही है कि मैं 31st को परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ। अदरवाइज दे हैव ऑलवेज ट्रीटेड मी लाइक अ सेलिब्रिटी ओनली, सो दिस इज द बेस्ट।